What's good, y'all? Ranger X here, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we are going to be installing a Tomei exhaust on Gio's STI. Now, if you guys have not seen the last video, me and Gio went through the canyons, and he, just started dialing in his STI. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys check out the video. Link is going to be right here in the corner. Make sure you guys check out that video. But this is Gio's STI 2018, and he surprised me. He surprised me and actually put in a Cobb SF intake red line with the carbon fiber box. So that's sick. And he said, "Hey bro, I'm gonna pull up on you. Let's do another install." And I said, "Okay, let's do it." And now he has the Tomei single exit. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed into the car. And you see the blue one back there. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, let's see. Here we go. Okay. First little pipe right there. All right. Part of the mid pipe. Oh, right. That's... bro. Crazy. Dude, look at this. This is like, for people who don't know, this Tomei is like the size of like your fist. Like, this thing is huge. This thing is massive, bro. Slide all this over. Let's get straight to it. Let's just get into this install. Yeah, that is that is massive, bro. All right, so this has got to go, and that's got to get installed. Let's get straight into it. All right, so exhaust is off. I'm about to put together the Tomei. As you can see, she is bare. So let's go ahead and put this all together, and then we'll go from there. Here we go. So the exhaust is fully on. First startup. Remember, you're in gear, so yeah, make sure you're neutral. Fuck around and launch off this fucking thing. Fuck. Oh, that's not allowed, bro. That was barely at like 4,000 RPM. No. Yeah, okay, we gotta get you on the road. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get to going. All right, guys, that's it.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap, bro. Appreciate all the ooh boy.
Never gonna get old.
Yes, sir, bro. Appreciate you coming out, bro. Drive safe, and this Tomei sounds amazing. Whew.
It's never gonna get old.
Never, bro.
All right, take care.
All right, bro. I'll see you.
Yes, sir.
Bro, that Tomei is not gonna get old, guys. That's gonna officially end today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my boy Gio. He now has a Cobb SF intake and he has a Tomei cat bag, so he's definitely got some bolt-ons on me. He's got a stage 1 plus little Cobb OTS map right now, so definitely super proud of him. And make sure you guys go follow him. Like I said, new video will be out soon, and like I said, make sure you guys stay close to the channel because I got some coilovers. We gotta get it installed, bro. We gotta get some things installed, so make sure you guys, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram as well, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Peace.